Hello everyone, this is me Teacher Joanne and welcome to my mini vlog. For today's video ay samahan nyo ako sa aming mid-year performance review and evaluation and inset activity. It's the time na magpe-present ang bawat coordinator ng school ng kanilang accomplishment and plans regarding the programs and projects na ini-implement ng aming school. So, kailangang makinig ng mabuti at mag-focus upang makakuha ka ng mga panibagong kaalaman na tsak na magagamit mo sa iyong classroom. And finally, eto yata yung the most awaited part ng lahat, charis lang. So, it's snack time. We're very thankful dahil may na-prepare na snack para sa aming lahat. And after snack time, ready na ang lahat para sa progress report ng aming school head regarding the plans and tasks na dapat namin gawin this school year. And during our afternoon session, that's the time of financial reporting. So, iniisa-isa ni ma'am ang lahat ng mga nagastos namin sa school. At bago matapos ang aming session ay binigyan na kami ng nagpapakilig sa aming mga teacher. Ito ay ang supply namin ng ink for the next quarter. Sa muli, salamat sa panonood!